Environment. As intelligent souls, we must take on the role of stewards of the ecology wherever we go. It would be our duty to improve the circumstances for our survival by controlling the ecosystems and to make them better places than when we came in. As we would become more technologically advanced, we could go on to colonize new planets, moons, or any other new settings. We should improve the ambience there by turning them into self-sustaining orchids/gardens that would serve as showcases of our ingenuity. In this way, we could produce up to 90% more food in the same area as a single crop farm. As we augment ourselves to adapt to these new locations, we should also reinvent flora and fauna to be able to live there as well. Along with earthworms, we could genetically engineer stingless bees for these areas since they are necessary for maintaining a natural balance. Since cosmic rays seem to be causing a runaway greenhouse effect on the other planets, these new forms of life may become necessary for our survival against similar consequences here on Earth. Terraforming would be a true test of our capabilities, and we should do it whenever possible. We have already invented proven clean energy sources, and we could adapt them for off-world applications. It must be a sacred obligation to always use decontamination equipment wherever we go. All the pollutants should be removed that are pre-existing or that may accidentally occur. Each landmine or other destructive component that has been left over from past wars on our planet must be located and removed. Every effort should be made to form the safest atmosphere. Restoration of the bionetwork could include enhancements of its functional state and should be modified to beautify the area. Irrigation systems could be networked across the lands and could double as fire control. At the same time, archaeologists, anthropologists, and other scientists who might have an interest ought to be able to sift through every site they deem worthwhile to help them with their research. I believe that it would be very gratifying to see the results if they should find anything. These procedures should be an integral part of the development and implementation of mining and industrial plants. This would be the most ethical approach possible, and it would be a reflection of our religiosity.